Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular internal SSDs, Kingston A400 and Crucial MX500. We'll be comparing them in terms of various categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we dive in, please like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos. When it comes to speed, both Kingston A400 and Crucial MX500 are impressive offerings. However, Crucial MX500 outshines Kingston A400 with sequential reads, writes up to 560/500 MBs, whereas Kingston A400 has a speed of 480 GB to 500 MBs read and 450 MBs write. When it comes to reliability, both Kingston A400 and Crucial MX500 are more reliable and durable than a hard drive. However, Crucial MX500 boasts of an integrated power loss immunity feature that preserves all your saved work if the power unexpectedly gets cut. Both Kingston A400 and Crucial MX500 offer AES 256-bit hardware-based encryption that keeps your data safe and secure from hackers and thieves. However, Crucial MX500 takes the lead with its hardware-based encryption that keeps data secure at all times. In terms of price, Kingston A400 has a clear advantage with a price of $23, whereas Crucial MX500 is priced at $51. However, given the additional features offered by Crucial MX500, the extra cost might be worth considering. So, that's the end of our comparison of Kingston A400 and Crucial MX500. Both SSDs have their own advantages and disadvantages. Kingston A400 is perfect for those who are on a budget but still require fast speeds. However, if you're after additional security features and faster read-write speeds, Crucial MX500 might be the better choice. Let us know in the comments which one do you prefer. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.